I have been struggling with ulcerative colitis for about a decade now. My existing prescription hadn't continued to work for me in the way that I needed it to. I was also experiencing a bit of a flare-up that wouldn't settle down. A flare-up is just simply saying that there's inflammation happening in the colon that is creating discomfort at best of times and crippling pain and bleeding at the worst of times. That absolutely keeps you isolated and also very self-conscious. Dealing with the cramping and pain, you start to wonder if you can even afford to go outside. When am I going to need to run to the bathroom next? Having to constantly monitor that, as well as the anxiety around it, can be very debilitating. About a year ago when I had gone in for a scope, Dr. Pereira approached me about the study. He already knew about it and he was able to identify that I met the criteria. It's nice to have a doctor that is always considering what your next path may be and looking for those opportunities to be able to bring you to a new solution. Normally, I think research groups have to find the participants themselves, and that can be very challenging in identifying eligible individuals. My doctor, who knows all of my symptoms and my history, helped get me involved much quicker and therefore getting the care I needed much quicker. I received a call from the study to get me in for some initial tests and just to see if I met the prerequisites.
Bella's going to take care of you. All right.
They were just amazingly cooperative and collaborative, and then they were ultimately able to enroll me into the program. I was ecstatic to not just receive a new medication, but also be able to participate in a study that could then inform other potential users its benefits. Having a team approach is crucial. You do feel like you're part of that team as well. They've been very engaged with me and have had numerous dialogues just around how my symptoms have been, how I have been feeling. I didn't even really feel like I was participating in a study. It was just a new prescription for my ulcerative colitis. Managing ulcerative colitis can be expensive. The medications certainly aren't cheap. Visits often include some sort of scope. So being able to receive that care free of charge as part of the study is a tremendous benefit. Everything's covered. The medication alone is amazing to receive, and being able to have those periodic checkups also provides a lot of peace of mind. That helps a lot with the, anxiety around healthcare. Anxiety can also be a contributing factor to a flare-up with ulcerative colitis. So knowing that everything is covered under the study also helps reduce a lot of the stress involved with managing this disease. It gives me a lot of hope, knowing that there are additional solutions out there being explored. I would tell anyone that's having trouble with managing a disease to talk to your doctor and see if there are other research opportunities available for whatever you might be facing. It presents a great opportunity to not just receive potentially new medication, but also receive it at no cost at all. The research groups want you there. They want to help you, and they want to help people like you.
All right, and we'll see you soon.
Sounds great.
Okay, great.